Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your addition and ensuring you're signed into a Microsoft account. This unlocks the switch option. Go to Settings, System, about to verify Windows 10 Home in S Mode, then open Accounts and sign in if needed. Once done, make sure your PC is connected to the internet and plugged in to avoid interruptions. Next, open Microsoft Store. Don't search for apps yet, because the official switch happens there. Skip third-party tools and proceed to the store for the one supported path. You'll now perform the actual switch inside Microsoft Store. Once the store is open, search exactly for the phrasing that shows the S-Mode switch page. It's not an app download but a one-click switch. Click the Get button or Install on that page. Windows will prompt confirmation. Accept it. Wait patiently as the store processes the change. Do not attempt to install or update other apps while this finishes. After the store confirms, Windows is out of S mode and ready for regular apps. You complete the process by restarting the PC and verifying settings system about shows Windows 10 Home without S mode. If the store did not switch, sign out of the store and your Microsoft account, install pending Windows updates, then sign back in and retry the switch page. If you still see errors, clear the store cache using WS Reset. EXE and attempt again. When all else fails, contact Microsoft support. They can check your account and license, but only after you've tried these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.